Now, most of you will already know that density is equal to the mass divided by the volume. So the mass is in kilograms, the volume is in meters cubed, therefore density is in kilograms per meter cubed. Right? Now, it shouldn't be too difficult to use that equation to answer these two questions. So what I'll let you do, pause the video, have a go at this top one, and then have a go at this bottom one, and then resume, and I will tell you how to do them. Right, let's start with the top one. So the top one is not particularly difficult. All you need to do is take 25, which is the mass, divide it by the volume, which is 0.1, and you get 200. You get 250. 250 kilograms per meter cubed. Okay. The bottom one, similar. Okay. This time we're going to take 10. We're going to divide it by the 15. Okay. 10 divided by 15 will give you 0.6 recurring. Right, so if you put 0.6 recurring kilograms per meter cubed, you'd get the answer wrong. The answer is not kilograms per meter cubed, because notice you are dividing kilograms, and you're dividing it by centimeters cubed, not meters cubed. So the unit is actually kilograms per centimeter cubed. Okay. Right, so you can leave it like that, but sometimes, let's say the question might want the answer in kilograms per meter cubed, which means you've got to do some converting. You can't have, if you're going to give the answer in kilograms per meter cubed, you can't have the volume in centimeters cubed, because it just won't work. Okay. Let me show you how to do that then. So let's go back up the top here. So if I wanted to convert, well, you should know that if you want to convert centimeters into meters, okay, all you need to do is divide the centimeters, whatever the value is in centimeters, by 100. Okay, you just divide it by 100, and then to get the other way, you multiply by 100. But it's slightly different if you're going to do centimeters cubed to meters cubed, because cubed is timesing it by itself 3 times. So centimeters cubed to meters cubed is just a case of dividing by 100 cubed. Okay, and that's how you get from centimeters cubed to meters cubed. Now, again, you do need to know this, and this is pretty basic maths, but 100 cubed is just the equivalent of 100 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 100. Yeah. So 100 cubed is equal to 1 million. Yeah. You should know that. So yeah. So getting from centimeters cubed to meters cubed, you can divide by 1 million. Yeah. You can divide by 1 million. So what I'll do then is I'll put up a few more conversions. I'll let you do some conversions, and then we can bring it all together, and we can work on some more density calculations. Okay, so let's do a question then. So first question, I want you to convert 20 centimeters cubed to meters cubed, and then the second one you can have a go convert 0. No, not 0. Let's do something a bit more. So let's do 60 centimeters cubed. Okay, convert that to meters cubed. Okay, I'll pause it for a minute, have a go at them, and then I'll tell you. Well, I'll tell you the answer. Okay, so 20 centimeters cubed then, so if you did that, if you did 20, and you divided it by 100 cubed, okay, then you should get an answer of 0.000002 meters cubed. Your calculator might give you an answer like it might say 2 times 10 to the minus 5 meters cubed. That's fine. That's just in standard form. You can leave your answer in standard form. That's fine. So what you don't need to do is cube the 20. Okay, so a lot of people were cubing the 20 as well. You don't need to do that. Okay, you don't need to do that. I know that there's a cube on the end of the centimeters cube, but that's just on the unit. Okay, it's not on the number. It's on the unit. So you don't need to cube that. You only need to you only need to cube the multiplier there. Okay. Right, and then for the 60 centimeters, do the same thing again. You do 60 divided by 100 cubed. Remember, 100 cubed is just a million. Okay, and you get you get 0.00006 meters cubed. Okay, which again, your calculator might give you the answer in standard form, 6 times 10 to the minus 5 meters cubed, which is just as valid. You can leave it as that. Okay, right. Let's do some density calculations then. So I'll just pause the video so I can write some out, and then we can have a go at some. Okay, here's a couple of questions for you. Pause the video, have a go at them, and then unpause when you're ready. Right, let's start with the first one then. So for the first one, all I'm going to do is, well, if you did, let's say you did this, so let's say you did 15 and you divided it by 0.3, you get an answer of 50. You get an answer of 50. Now, you need to give a unit as well. So in this case, I've just taken the kilograms and divided it by the centimeters cubed. Centimeters, so it's kilogram, oops, sorry. It's kilograms per centimetre. Oh, this is not working. Sorry guys. There we are. Kilograms per centimetre cubed. You could leave it like that because it doesn't actually ask you to put it into kilograms per metre cubed. But let's say you did do that. First thing you need to do is take that 0.3 centimetres cubed and divide it by 100 cubed. Okay, and if you did that, if you did divide it by 100 cubed, you get, your calculator is probably going to give you it in standard form. So, what's that, 5 times 10 to the minus, sorry, no, 3 times 10 to the minus 7, that will give you in meters cubed. Okay, and then what you've got to do then is take the mass, which is the 15, divide it by what we've just worked out there, 3 times 10 to the minus 7, and you get you should get 5 times 10 to the power 7 kilograms per meter cubed this time. Okay, so if you did do the conversion, that's what you get. Okay, but in this particular question, you don't need to do it, but I have because you might have done. Both answers are equally valid in this case. Both this one and this one. Okay, right. This one though. This one is asking. This one is asking for your answer in kilograms per meter cubed. So the first thing to do is find the volume, which is at 35, and convert it to meters cubed. So I'm going to take the 35. That's a weird 3. 35 divided by 100 cubed. 35 divided by 100 cubed should give you 3.5 times 10 to the minus 5 it would be. Okay, meters cubed. Okay, that's a divide sign, by the way. So 35 divided by 100 cubed gives you 3.5 times 10 to the minus 5 meters cubed. Right, now what we can do then is take the mass, which is 0.3, and then we can divide it by 3.5. So let's do that then. So 0.3 divided by 3.5 times 10 to the minus 5, and if you plug that into a calculator, you get quite a long number. What I'm going to do though, well, I'll just round it a little bit. So what do you get? 8,571.4. But if you give your answer, I'm just going to give it to two significant figures. So let's go 8,600, and that's in kilogram per meter cubed. Don't forget the unit. And there we are. Right. So hopefully that's helped out a little bit. If not, then let me know, and I can go through some more. Okay.